Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can upload a video on YouTube. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's click on the Google Chrome. So as you can see, the Google Chrome is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the YouTube and we have to open the YouTube. And after opening the YouTube, now we have to click on the profile section. And after clicking on the profile section, we have to go to the YouTube Studio section. And now let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the upload video. As you can see, here's the option for the upload video. This icon will be there. And now you have to click on this icon. And after that, we have to click on the select files. And for example, and now what we need to do, we have to select the video. For example, I'm going to select the video which we want to upload. And now let's select that. Now, for example, I want to upload this video, so we have to select this, and after that we have to click on the open, and the video uploading will be started. And after that, as you can see here, the section. Now what we need to do, we have to write the title here. So after writing the title, we have to write description here, and after writing the description, we need to select some options. So let's go to them. If you want to upload the thumbnail, you have to click here, and after that we have to scroll down, and after that, if the video is made for the kid, then you have to select this one. If the video is not made for the kid, then you have to select this one. So now let's just scroll, and after that, as you can see, here's the text section. If you want to add any kind of text, you can also do that. And after that, what we have to do, we have to simply click on the next. Let's click on the next. We have to select this one, not made for the kid. And now let's click on the next. And if you want to add end screen in your video or your cards in the video, you can also do that. You have to click on the add. And now let's click on the next. And here it will check the copyright status after uploading, after the completion of uploading. And then click on the next. Now you have to select the visibility of the video, that if you want to publish or if you want to unlist it, make it whatever you want. I'm going to publish it. So we have to click on the public. And now we have to click on the publish again. Now let's wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's showing the 46% of the video is uploaded, and it will take 3 minutes in completion. So in this way, you can upload the video on YouTube. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload the video on YouTube. So see you guys in the next video.